guys, and welcome back to another VLOGOWEEN video. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. I'm going to use my regular primer, well the one that I've been using lately, and it's from The Ordinary. And it's just kind of like a silicone based primer. And obviously I want this to be a fair test, so I'm wanting to use just the primer that I've used a lot. So I am going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage. That's what I'm going to pop on my face first, and I'm going to use a beauty sponge to do so. So I'm not going to be worrying too much about my eyes, because the eyes is obviously going to have the darker shade. Look how pale I am. Right, so now I've got that on, it's time to go in and have a play with this. So I'm thinking I want to kind of try and set what I've got on. So I'm going to use the white part of the powder and try and kind of set down what's already on, because I do think that this foundation, if I remember correctly, moves about a little bit. And I'm going to be... Oh god, did I get some black on then? Oh no, I did. This brush is too big. Right, so that's that for now. Now, I've seen like a few different versions of Michael Myers like face, and people who've done the makeup. A lot of the times I see people do like cheeks like this. Now, I do think that in the older ones, possibly his mask had more of this kind of face. For me, like when I see Michael Myers, I'm looking at a picture of him now, like in my head, the lines come down here, like he's got really prominent lines down here. So that's what I'm going to go with. And I don't know whether this is going to work or not, but let's hope it does. I'm totally doing this like I haven't practiced. This is just my first attempt, and we are doing this, you guys, together. I'm pressing on really, really lightly now. So if you smile, you'll be able to see those lines. I want to try and take like a bit of like around, you going in kind of like a circle, half circle around the nose like that. He's also got here I hope I'm in focus, you guys. Really sorry if I'm not. I haven't got my monitor on though, because I'm looking at a picture, so So we've got little lines down here. Basically what we're doing at this stage is just putting loads of shading and stuff on the face. I'm going to also do the eyebrows because his eyebrows are like really dark. And his eyebrows are like... It is going to vary. The thing is, you're going to vary through depending on which picture you look at, which movie you take it from. So just go with whatever you like the best. That's what I'm doing. It's like his face, he doesn't have like an evil mask on where his face looks really like his eyebrows would be like evil. He looks more like, it's hard to explain, just like as if there's just nothing to him. There's no emotion, he's just like, but yeah, almost on the verge of being sad. It's creepy. I love Michael Myers. So basically, I'm just going for more of just like a round, quite a round eyebrow. I'm not adding an arch or anything like that. Just adding a little bit of shading to the nose as well. I feel like his cheeks just come out a little bit. Right, now I'm going to take a bit more of a fluffier brush because I want to get this cheek bit here. And the one I'm seeing is quite like down there. It's almost like I don't know whether I want to try and do it realistic or more emphasise, do you know, like almost like a cartoon version. I kind of want to do it almost cartoony because it'll be more, I feel like you'll be able to tell more what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna go for just a little bit here because that's what, like, I know all the other, I've seen like other people do the makeup and they've got these cheeks. So I'm just gonna do a little bit because some of the old school Michael Myers do have that cheek thing in. think it adds a little bit of something to it. The thing that's going to make you probably look the most like him is if you've got the outfit on. Because obviously it is a mask. So I think most people who dress up as Michael Myers probably do just get the mask. But I wanted to do a Halloween look for you all. In case you didn't want to wear a mask. So I'm taking this cheek part basically into this bit that we've done here. So, eyes. We need some really black eyes. Now I have quite sensitive eyes, so I'm going to be quite careful. You can go a bit heavier on this if you don't have to worry about like eyes. You want to make sure that you get loads of product on your brush for this bit. He's basically just got like black circles painted around his eyes. It's really weird. It's a really weird mask to have. But because I have hooded eyes, I am taking it quite high, but you don't really need to have it too high up. I just like to do it because I've got hooded eyes there. You just wouldn't even be able to see it if I didn't. It's quite annoying. Under the nose a little bit, just add a little bit of shading to the base so it's not too. Do I look like Michael Myers? Do I just look like a crazy person who puts some weird stuff on her face? Quite like it. I think it's all good. I think this paired with like the jumpsuit. I'm not sure what you'd do with your hair. That's why I kind of just thought if I just do this with it and leave it messy. Jumpsuit. I need to do my lips. I've got one. So I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss in Blackberry Pie. My lips are a bit too big, but oh god, I'm not even in shot. Sorry guys. But his lips go like that. They really go up. And just taking it out of the corner a little bit because his lips go quite in. Mine are so big that it's kind of difficult to do it. But if you do take it in like that and then take it out at the corner, it kind of gives a similar look. And that's it. That's the finished look. I'm kind of happy with it. I feel like if I had a jumpsuit on, you'd know I was supposed to be. It might not be the best you've ever seen, but you guys, it's all I've got. I'm sorry, it's all I've got. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you end up recreating this look, please tag me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever, wherever you can follow me or whatever you've got. Because I would absolutely love that. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really simple. We literally used 3 items. We used the lip gloss, this, and that is it. Really simple, nice and quick. If you are going as Michael Myers and you don't want to wear a mask, I think it's a perfect kind of really quick, get it on, get your outfit on and go. You might just want to get like a messy wig or something as well. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I love you so much. I hope you are enjoying VLOGOWEEN, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!